Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to hide duplicates in Excel without delete data. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have some data. So in this data I have some duplicate entries. You can see the keyboard is with the same customer, is a two entries showing with the same amount and other details also showing the same. So these duplicate data I'm going to hide without deleting data. So let's start. Simply select the inside the cell, then use the Control A to select the entire data. After that, just go to the Data tab. In Sort and Filter group, click on the Advanced option, and here the one dialog box is Open Advanced Filter. In Action, the first option is automatically selected, and in List Range, select your range of data. Here the range is automatically selected. If not, just click on this arrow and select your data range. After that, just click on again arrow and click on the unique records only. Then click on OK, and that's it. Here you can see the duplicates data is hide without deleting data. See, the all duplicates entry will hide. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.